Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a neighborhood consists of a 2-hectare park and a 35-hectare residential area. The total number of trees in the neighborhood is 3,934, and the equation 2x plus 35y is equal to 3,934 represents this situation. And we're asked, which of the following is the best interpretation of x in this context? So the total number of trees in this area is 3,934. So we're going to say total is equal to 3,934. And we are going to recreate this equation from scratch. And that will show us what x actually represents. So the total number of trees is 3,934. This means that the trees in the park plus the trees in the residential area add up to 3,934. How do we find, for example, the number of trees in the park? Well, you can take the number of trees per hectare and multiply it by the number of hectares. So we have 2 hectares times the trees per hectare. And we can do a similar thing for the residential area. It's 35 hectares times the number of trees per hectare, which will likely be different since it's a different area than this trees per hectare. And these things added up equal 3,934. And now we can sort of see that this is similar to our equation 2x plus 35y is equal to 3,934, right? These coefficients all match, and therefore we can match the variables to these values. So x and y both represent the trees per hectare, and x is for the park and y is for the residential area. So what is the best interpretation of x in this context? It's the trees per hectare in the park. This is going to be A.